For your stores to work, what they need are the goods that can be sold to the consumers in order to make revenues and profit. Here you can see all the goods that are available in SimFormer Business Simulation Classic mode. We have around 150 different products that fall under 9 different categories that can be used to create a specific product mix. How does that work? Well, let's take a look. What you can see here is a store that specializes in selling clothes, flowers, perfume, and some jewelry. A fashionable boutique, if you prefer. Truth is that the proper combination of goods in trade hall, or in other words, a product mix, can create additional sales. What is the most efficient product mix? Well, it's really up to you to find out. One of the main important aspects or indicators is their quality. What quality shows is the quality of materials used for the production of the good, as well as the level of technology. In other words, specific features and quality are reflected in one number. From the perspective of the consumers, the higher is the quality, the better or more attractive is the good. However, there are 3 things that matter: quality, brand, and sales price combination. In this case, you can see the proposition here, as well as the city average. As you create different good combinations for your clients, you have to remember that different goods have different consumption rates. For example, food is consumed daily. However, price elasticity is lower. One of the crucial things when you're running a shop, or in other words, the retail trade business, is a proper supply chain. If you don't manage your supplies properly, you will run out of goods and will have nothing to sell. So, one, you have to plan your sales properly and evaluate the market and its capabilities, as well as possible actions of your competitors. If you sell out everything and have absolutely no supplier, you will have to wait one turn, or in other words, 1 week of the game, till you will receive the goods you have ordered, and then only for the second turn you'll be able to actually sell those goods. So in other words, you will be losing time. As you will be ordering goods from various suppliers, you have to know that there are 2 types of suppliers overall available in SimFormer Business Simulation. The real participants of the simulation, whose names are given in blue and usually link to their companies. However, they also have a limited amount of production they have in stock. So in other words, if they mess up their production line, you will literally receive no goods if they run out of stock. You will run out of stock. So you have to be aware of that. Also, real participants can develop a brand value of their goods. Now, independent suppliers, these computer-generated ones, have an unlimited amount of goods they're selling, unless there is a limitation on the amount of goods of high quality that is limited to the maximum order. But their price is fixed and always is stable, and they are the most trustworthy ones. The difference is that their goods will never have a brand value.